Have you heard this story before? This is the narrative. 16 developers, each with at least 5 years of experience, were randomly split, some using AI, some not. The result? The group using AI was actually 19% slower, and yet they walked away convinced AI had made them 20% faster. This one experiment is just a fragment of a much bigger, older story. AI is coming for developers' jobs. It's the story that's dominated tech circles for the past few years. GPT suggests the algorithm, Copilot writes the code. Is the developer who just codes becoming a thing of the past? This anxiety starts with a single prediction, that AI would replace programmers' repetitive routine coding. In 2025, Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei declared that within 6 months, AI would write 90% of code, and within a year, almost all of it. It seemed like an unstoppable tide. This shift hits junior developers first. Voices are growing louder that the very seats where they used to learn by watching senior engineers code are disappearing. But it doesn't stop there. If juniors disappear, seniors disappear too, 10 years down the line. There's a warning that the industry's own ability to grow its talent could collapse. But this fear doesn't spread on its own. Companies save money the moment they stop hiring junior developers. AI companies need people to believe one AI replaces 10 junior devs. So, before we go any further, it's worth asking, who actually benefits from this story? And this is exactly where that experiment comes back in. So why was the AI group slower? Developers couldn't simply trust what AI produced. They spent more time reviewing, verifying, and fixing it instead. Fitting AI's suggestions into already complex existing code bases created friction of its own. The assumption that AI is always faster and better was already cracking. So if AI can write the code, what's left for the developer? Understanding the business problem, designing the system, pulling a dozen different technologies together into one thing that works. The job shifts from writing code to architecting solutions. That shift demands a whole new skill set, and it opens up a new divide. Developers who ride the AI wave and developers who get swept under by it. Stop learning in this era and you fall behind fast. So the question, will AI replace developers' circles back to something more personal? What kind of developer are you going to become? Is AI the threat or the leverage that gets you to the next level? This story doesn't have an ending yet. Every story looks different until you zoom out. This is where we trace them. The narrative.